In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set user roles in ClickUp, Access Control 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and how to assign the right level of access to each person in your workspace, so your projects stay organized and secure. Start by opening your browser and going to clickup.com. If you're not already signed in, log in with your preferred method. You can continue with email or use a connected account like a supported social sign-in. Just choose the option your organization uses and complete the sign-in prompts. Once you're in, you'll land on your ClickUp homepage where you'll see your tasks, views, and sidebar. Look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon or name. This is where your account and workspace controls live. Click that area to open the drop-down menu, then choose Settings. This takes you to the main settings hub for your account and workspace. On the left sidebar, make sure you can see the section labeled Admin Settings. If you don't see it, it could mean your account doesn't have admin permissions in this workspace. In that case, you'll need someone with admin rights to make role changes for you. If you do see admin settings, you're in the right place. Within admin settings, click People. This page lists all the users in your workspace along with their current roles and status. Find the person whose access you want to adjust. Next to their name, click their existing role to open the role menu and select the role that fits their needs. Here's what each role means, so you can decide confidently. Member allows full access to all public items in your workspace, which is ideal for core team members who work across shared spaces and projects. Limited member restricts access, so they only see items that are explicitly shared with them. Great for contributors who don't need broad visibility. Guest is the most restricted. Guests can't use every feature or be added to spaces, and they only see what's shared with them. Perfect for clients or external partners who just need specific deliverables. Admin is the highest level, with permissions to manage spaces, people, billing, and other workspace settings. Use admin sparingly and only for trusted individuals who actively manage your workspace structure and governance. Once you select a role, the change applies automatically. It's a good idea to let the person know their access has been updated and have them refresh if they're currently logged in. As a best practice, follow the principle of least privilege. Grant only what someone needs to do their job and adjust over time as responsibilities change. That's it. Simple, precise, and secure control over who can see and do what in ClickUp.